Yo, what is up? ReelVlogs here, bringing you guys another episode of Shooting with ReelVlogs. And today, it's gonna be a video shoot. I'm gonna show you guys how I made this video. I won't spoil it, you guys see the full version at the end, but without further ado, let's cue that intro! Alright, so I'm with the amazing ERIN. ERIN, how you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Feeling ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get into this. So we rented out this whole studio. It's in the heart of Seattle, Washington. I really love the aesthetics, and that's why I think we got it. The lighting's really nice. Like you can see like the lighting coming in. It's kind of cloudy right now, but just don't mind that. We're gonna get some lighting, but yeah, it's really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys to the equipment to show you guys what we're working with. All right, so this is the setup that we're working with. We got the A7 III here, the camera body that we're gonna be using. And then we have the 40 2.0. That's usually like my go-to for a lot of the things because it's like, it has this like really nice close-up details. And I like using this guy. We rented this one actually, but it's a 24 to 1.4 Sony, which is just like really nice. It's that creamy bokeh. And it's just really nice for like the wider shots or like just farther away from the model. And then the rig that I'm using is called the Weebill. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a Xeon, whatever it is you guys tell me. Xeon Weebill S. I really like this gimbal because it's really compact. It can fit in your backpack, and just you can carry it around like all the time. Like you can just like look at this. It's just super light, super nice. I just got this recently, so I'm really stoked about it. And then we also have the monitor here. It's the FeelWorld 4K monitor. It just pairs really well with my camera, and so. Yeah, this is the setup that I'm using for the shoot today, and we're gonna see how good it creates. This is actually the first time I'm gonna shoot with this gimbal, so I'm pretty stoked about it, so we'll see. Like grab this. So yeah, just kind of go like this, interact with it, maybe just grab this and spin like this, and just maybe lean back on here. Walking. Perfect. Yep. Perfect. Kind of like this or something, and then you're gonna go into the camera like this.
Oh, okay.
And move. And move. Ooh, that's fire. Like even that right there, when you looked at the camera there, was a really cool snippet. Walk towards me, yeah. Okay. Ooh, money! That was it. That was fire! So there you have it, guys. So there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed our little shoot adventure with the amazing ERIN. We had a lot of fun, and I hope you guys did too. Shout out to the man behind the camera, Alejandro. Thank you. But now
We're gonna play the full video for you now.
she's good. And so watch that. Check it out, see how you like it. So until next time, guys, keep it real.
100.
Never stop grinding. And
No, no.
hey!